There's legitimately a perfect left wedge. It's the best sandbar I've ever seen in California. It's better than lowers. The last like 6 years I've been riding for Sharp Eye and it's been amazing, but I feel like most surfers just kind of they get to a spot in their surfing where you just want to try new designs, new shapes, new models from other boards. I think, you know, like how Felipe got on Sharp Eye, he was on Firewire, and then, you know, you just try some other people's boards. And that's kind of what I've been doing recently. So, you know, like this board from Chile, this is the Churro model, I believe. It's a 5.7 19 3/8 2 1/4, and this is kind of like if you live here in San Diego or anywhere in California, East Coast, you know, the waves suck for the most part every day, and this kind of board is making waves that suck more fun because it's poppy, it's quick, you can put on rail if you need to, it's light, and if you're one of those people that live at like a Point Break or something like that, like Malibu, you can chuck in a quad, draw everything out, and it's just a fun board to have in your quiver for the summer, I feel like, as opposed to like a board like this. This is a 6.6, 18.6, 2.4. So this is a board that I took to Chopu every time I've been there. This is like as big as a board as you want for there. You don't want anything longer than that because it'll just poke. This is like your Chopes, Pipe, Puerto, Pasquale's. Like, I mean, I actually rode this board up too. Or shit, I can't say that. Up in the Pacific Northwest, you can beat that out. I think Marcio is one of the best gun shapers in the world. I basically told him I wanted to take out, you know, the trailer fin because the quads are so fast. You can knife anything, and it's like they're almost too quick. So if you drop in late on a wave there, it's like you just get this crazy catapult off the bottom. Yeah, so basically it's more propulsion off the tail. And instead of like maybe a foam ball grabbing, you know, the back of your fin and kind of squirreling you out and then getting off balance, you know, getting even this far off balance on a wave that big, you're like done. This is the Chemistry 4x4 model. And this is kind of a board that when I first looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh, I'd never in a million years ride something like this. You know, it doesn't, just because of the shape and everything, it just looks so different to anything I've ever ridden. And I'm kind of like not the most rail-to-rail surfer, I guess you could say. But it's crazy how quick a board with channels is. The dimensions on this one are 6'3", 18.65, and 2.44. This is another Sharp Eye. This is an SG1 model. And this is your all-around step-up board for summer. You know, not too crazy of a pull-in tail, and not super heavy, and kind of like lower entry rocker throughout the whole board. The dimensions on this one, 5.8 by 19 1/4 by 2 3/8. Days that you don't want to go surf, having this board, it turns the worst waves into the best waves somehow. And that's so important because you can get stuck in a rut so easily. So when you have a board like this, you're getting all these crazy pockets of speed, and then, you know, you have the 20 with a little thruster, this MR template from SCS. You can just glide, spin, do like, I don't know, it makes it fun. I love having a board like this. I keep it, I don't take it out of my car.